What's up, everybody? Are you ready to step into the ring and wrestle with the market? Intraday trading, jumping in and out of trades within the same day, seems like the ultimate get-rich-quick strategy. You see stories of people turning a few $1,000s into millions, right? But the reality is most people get chewed up and spit out by the market. They lose their shirts, their houses, their Lambo dreams, everything. Why? Because they go in blind without a plan, without risk management. That's why in this video, I'm breaking down the 10 essential tips that'll give you a fighting chance in the intraday game. We're talking about the nitty-gritty, the stuff nobody tells you, the things that took me years to learn the hard way. If you're serious about mastering intraday trading and not just flushing your money down the toilet, you need to stick around for this. Look, you wouldn't start building a house without a blueprint, right? Same goes for trading. A solid trading plan is your blueprint for success. It lays out exactly what you're trading, when you're trading it, and how you're going to manage your risk. This is a detailed roadmap that outlines your entry and exit points, profit targets, and most importantly, your stop-loss levels. Trust me, having a plan keeps you disciplined and prevents you from making emotional decisions in the heat of the moment. Backtest your strategy. Test it out on historical data. See how it would have performed in different market conditions. Make adjustments, refine it, and make sure it's rock solid before you even think about putting real money on the line. Listen, you're going to have losing trades. It's part of the game. But what separates the amateurs from the pros is how they handle those losses. Risk management is your safety net. One of the most important tools in your risk management arsenal is the stop-loss order. This is an order that automatically sells your stock at a predetermined price, limiting your potential losses on a trade. Don't be greedy. Set realistic profit targets and stick to them. And when things are going south, don't be afraid to cut your losses and move on. Remember, preserving your capital is the name of the game. The market is constantly evolving, which means you need to stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe to financial news outlets, follow reputable traders and analysts, and make it a habit to read market analysis reports. The more you understand the forces driving the market, the better equipped you'll be to make informed trading decisions. We live in the age of technology, so use it to your advantage. There are tons of software and tools out there designed to make your life as a trader easier. Charting software can help you identify trends and patterns. Trading platforms give you access to real-time market data, and stock screeners can help you narrow down your trading opportunities. But remember, technology is a tool. It's only as good as the person using it. Use it to supplement your knowledge and enhance your decision-making process. Trading is a roller coaster of emotions. You'll experience the thrill of victory and the agony of defeat, often in the same day. But here's the thing, emotions are your worst enemy in trading. The key is to stay calm, rational, and objective in your decision-making. Have a plan, stick to it, and don't let your emotions cloud your judgment. I get it. You're eager to jump in and start making those big bucks. But trust me, the last thing you want to do is go all in when you're just starting out. Start small. Dip your toes in the water with a smaller account size and gradually increase your position sizes as you gain experience and confidence. Remember, every trade is a learning opportunity. View your early trades as tuition payments. By starting small, you minimize your risk and give yourself the opportunity to develop your skills without putting your entire capital at risk. Liquidity refers to how easily you can buy or sell a stock without significantly impacting its price. In the world of intraday trading, liquidity is king. You need to be able to enter and exit trades quickly and efficiently, and that's only possible in liquid markets. Look for stocks with high trading volume. High volume indicates a lot of buying and selling activity, which translates into tighter spreads and easier execution of your trades. Let's be real for a second. The get-rich-quick mentality is what draws many people to intraday trading, but it's also the downfall of many. Set realistic expectations about your profit potential. Remember, Intraday trading is all about capturing small price movements. Focus on consistency over home runs. It's better to aim for consistent, smaller profits over time than to chase after those elusive big wins. Think of your trading journal as a personal diary for your trading journey. It's a place to record all your trades, including your entry and exit points, your thought process behind each trade, and the outcome. This isn't just about keeping track of your wins and losses. It's about identifying patterns in your trading behavior. By analyzing your trading journal, you can pinpoint your weaknesses and areas for improvement. Just like any other profession, consistency is key in trading. Having a structured routine can make a world of difference in your trading performance. Set specific times for market analysis, trade planning, and actually executing your trades. This helps you stay focused and disciplined. Treat trading like a business. Show up every day, put in the work, and stick to your plan. So there you have it. The 10 essential tips to master the challenging but potentially rewarding world of intraday trading. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Intraday trading isn't for the faint of heart. It takes discipline, dedication, and a whole lot of hard work. But if you're willing to put in the effort, learn from your mistakes, and never stop improving, you can achieve your trading goals. Stay disciplined, manage your risk, and never stop learning. If you're ready to get started with a leading broker, please check the details provided in the description. Like and subscribe to our channel to stay connected and enjoy a constant stream of exciting and inspiring content.